Maji, you can start with the prayers, I guess.
One of you may need to help me. I'm starting to cough, so I'll start the prayer and then maybe you can join in between. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Pathami Samskritam Nityam Vadami Samskritam Sada Dhyayami Samskritam Samyak Vande Samskritamataram. Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakaram Cha Pranatosmi Munitrayam. Does anyone remember where we stopped last time?
Could start the Sanskrit Banao.
Oh, we have to start it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Who wants to start?
मन सत्य से शुद्ध होता है, मन सत्येन शुद्धम भवति.
Yeah, that sounds so. The Shabda we learned, this is Manas. Yeah, so you're saying Manaha Satyena Shuddham Bhavati. That sounds correct to me. So next one, Prabha.
चित्त में ईश्वर का ध्यान करो. चित्त में, so चित्तसी चेतसी ईश्वरम ध्याय.
Is it Saptami Chittame, right? So is it Chitte?
The word we are using is Chetas from the Shabda Kosha. So Chitta is the Hindi meaning of Chetas. So then we are using
Chetasi is Saptami. That's what.
Okay.
Shirisha ji was proposing using Chitta itself. So,
That's okay. The Shabda Kosha I didn't realize. So that's
yes.
Chetasi. Okay.
If you use Chitta itself, then maybe Chitte is correct. Yeah. Okay. Next one. I think I have to do. Ratri में अंधकार सर्वत्र फैल जाता है. So Ratri में. Is it Ratri? I don't know what Saptami of Ratri is. This Strilinga or Napunsakalinga?
Nishaya.
Nishaya. Okay. Nishayam. But Ratri Shabda is also there in Sanskrit, right?
It is there.
Ratrau probably is the seventh case.
Yes, Ratrau is correct. Ratrau or Nishayam. Andhakaram. what is फैल जाता है?
Prasarati, right? Here prasaranam.
प्रसरणम.
Yeah, here the word was used, prasarati.
Okay, प्रसरति. अंधकारम सर्वत्र प्रसरति. Right? We can use sarvatra in Sanskrit. So nishayam andhakara or andhakaram. What is andhakara? Or tamas.
Here
We
they
can.
use tama. Tama.
Correct. So what is dvitiya of tamas? Tamaha. Tamaha. Right? It's napunsakalinga or yeah, tamaha. So tamaha sarvatra prasarati. Nishaya. Okay. Next is Upendraji's turn.
अम्मा हृदय में भी पाप न सोचो। फिर हृदय में चेतसी अपि पापम मा चिंतय।
And here we have rakho, na rakho. I think it came in the Udaharana Vakya.
हृदये अपि fourth one, right? हृदये एनः न कुरु।
हाँ, न कुरु. Enamsi. Enamsi.
एनांसी न कुरु.
That is bahuvachanam, but here papa can be singular, right? Ekavachanam. So
एनः.
ena is fine. Okay. I think there is another part to the same sentence. Oh, that is 5. Okay, they haven't numbered it here. Okay, Vijiji, you want to try number 5?
Yeah. धूल में बालक खेलते हैं। धूल में
Rajas is
Rajo is correct.
Rajau. Rajasi.
रजसी बालकः क्रीडति। बालकः. I think balak is bahuvachanam.
Balakaha. Right?
Balakaha, yeah, balakaha. Khelte is for bahuvachanam.
This is plural, correct?
Yeah, bahuvachanam.
Balakaha. Okay, next is Aparna.
तव भयः किमस्ति? तुम्हारी आयु क्या है?
Sounds right. Shirisha ji next.
राक्षस अंधेरे में घूमते हैं. Is it रक्षांसि तमसि विचरन्ति?
हाँ. So rakshamsi is rakshas.
Rakshas, yeah. Rakshamsi is bahuvachanam, tamasi vicharanti.
Yeah, the pratipadikam is rakshas. So it becomes rakshamsi, correct. Prabha.
Yeah. ब्रह्मचारी का ओज सूर्य का तेज, चंद्रमा की ज्योति और वीर का तेज रोचिष शोभित हो रहा है। ब्रह्मचारी तो षष्ठी राइट यहाँ पे
Yes.
ब्रह्मचार
Yavane in that examples.
ओके तो बट यवने is not षष्ठी right?
No, Yauvani is not, but I think
This is a person
means
that
youth.
is a age.
The
Yeah,
fifth sentence, they did the same thing. Yavane Chandamsi Pataha something.
But that's Yavani means youth, not Brahmachari, right? Brahmachari is ashram, so I think it should be same as Brahmachari. Brahmacharin Atipadikam and Shashti would be Brahmacharinaha.
Right.
Hmm.
Brahmacharinah or Ojas.
I think it's same as Tej.
Ojam. Yeah, Ojas is the word given, I think, right?
Ojas, correct. Ojasvin, correct. Ojas.
So, Brahmacharinah, Ojas.
Ojaha.
Sorry, Ojaha. Right. Suryasya Tejaha. Chandramasaha, is it?
Yeah, because it is Napunsakalinga. That's
Yeah.
Chandramasaha.
Chandramasaha Jyotihi Veeraha Veerasya Tejaha. They are given Rochish.
Yeah, that is Pratipadika.
Yeah. So Roch. What would for Rochish? What would either I can say Tejaha, but
Rochihi.
Rochihi. Okay. Veerasya Rochihi cha Shobhati.
Shobhante.
Alright.
So I thought we can use
it's singular.
Samasa, right? Samasa here. Suryasya Tejaha, Surya Tejaha, Chandra Jyotihi, and Veera Rochihi.
Veera Teja. Oh, Teja, you're using Roch. Okay. Rochihi. Yeah, you could use Shashti Tatpurusha, right?
Yeah, Shashti Tatpurusha.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. Thank you, Prabha. Next one. Shirshaji. Or you already finished. Sorry, it's my turn. Next one is वेद के छंदों को प्रतिदिन पढ़ो, अग्नि में हवि और घी ढालो. So वेदस्य छंदांसि प्रतिदिनं पठ. प्रतिदिनं is प्रतिदिनं पठ. I think we can use Dvitiya Vibhakti. And then अग्नि में हवि और घी ढालो. So अग्नौ हविस्, what do we say? हविः घृतं च. What do we do for pouring?
Juhudhi.
Juhudhi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here for ghee they use Sarpi.
Sarpi.
Okay. So we can say Sarpi, right?
Yeah. Sarpischa Juhudhi.
Juhudhi. Okay.
Yeah.
And the Vedasya Chandamsi, Veda Chandamsi, we can use that samasa, right? Vedasya Chandamsi.
Purusha we
Hmm.
can.
Yes.
Dancing. Here we can.
Yes. Okay. So Vedasya Chandamsi Pratidinam Patha Agnau Havihi Sarpishcha Juhudhi. Okay. Upendra ji, you next.
If we are doing a samasa, then the Vedasya Chandamsi, the Vedasya, the Sya part should go away, right?
So if
Because
we
it's a
do,
Yeah,
sloka.
so Veda Chandamsi, Veda
Yeah.
Chandamsi.
Upendra ji, are you trying to say something? I can't hear. I see you unmuted.
ईश्वर
Now I can.
ईश्वर भक्त पापों से डरता है। ईश्वर भक्त ईश्वर भक्तः पापों से पापेभ्यः बिभ्यति।
Sounds right. Okay. Vijay ji.
Bibheti, or what did you say, Upendra ji?
ईश्वर भक्तः पापेभ्यः बिभ्यति।
Bibhyati. Oh, I thought it is Bibheti, but I will check.
Then I thought Bibeti.
Yeah.
Viveti. Enasa also correct.
Papa is in.
Enasa.
What is Panchami Bahuvachanam of anus?
Should it be Enebhya?
In
Enebhya?
Enebhya, yeah.
So it should be Enobhyaha. So Enobhyaha
Enobhya.
Bibheti.
Bibheti.
एकांत में भी पाप न करो, रहसि अपि एनः न कुरु।
Yeah, that sounds right.
Or Enasam.
Enamsi or Enaha? Is it Ekavachanam? One second.
No, she's using Dvitiya, I think, or
Okay.
even Prathama Ekavachanam. Yeah, Ekavachanam is Enaha.
Okay.
I think Aparna, you're next.
विद्याहीनः मनुष्यः एनांसि एनोभिः।
Are you using Panchami or Tritiya?
I was using Chaturthi
Why you use Chaturthi? Because
for एनोभिः.
Paap se, it should be Panchami, no? Yukt hota hai.
एनांसि.
It should be Enobhyaha or sorry, not Bahuvachanam, but Enasaha.
एनसः. Okay.
Enasaha. If it is Panchami, Ekavachanam. So Vidyahina, you're doing samasa, no? Vidya se hina.
I did.
हाँ.
मनुष्यः. Then instead of enamsi, I should use the shashti, right?
No, ekavachanam enasaha.
Enasah. Okay.
And then युज धातु युक्त होता है.
Yungte, we can say.
युङ्क्ते.
Huh, or
What is latlakara? Yojati or
Rojati.
no, yuj dhatu.
Yuj dhatu. Oh, yo. Let us.
युज्यते
Yujyate. I think I was not sure whether it is Parasmay or Atmay.
Okay. You want to repeat the sentence once?
We should. विद्याहीनः मनुष्यः येन सह युङ्क्ते or what was the other one that we were saying?
Yujyate.
Yujyate.
Yunkte, what dhatu is that? I didn't find it. So anyway, for what lakara is that?
It is latlakara only, but I have to check where.
Okay.
Can
Anyway,
it be like a samasa then, like ena yuktah bhavati?
yeah.
Hena yukta bhavati. Okay.
विद्याहीनः मनुष्यः येन युक्तः भवति. Sounds good. All right.
दोनों
Sorry.
oh, right, sorry.
Go ahead.
दोनों आंखों से देखो. I'm going to just नेत्रद्वयेन पश्य. Or yeah.
So will it be dvayena? So is that how dvaya is declined?
With two eyes.
I know, but I'm wondering what
Yeah.
is dvaya, tritiya is dvayena? Yes, you're right. Dvayena. Dvayaha, dvayam, dvayena. Okay.
Here they use chakshubhyam. You can say chakshubhyam.
I was thinking if it is two, shouldn't it be dvivachanam?
Yeah, dvivachanam, chakshub,
So it should be dvayabhyam or chakshubhyam. Yes, you said.
chakshubhyam.
Yeah.
No,
So it's not
chakshubhyam will cover the dvaya part.
Yeah.
Or if you take netra dvaya as
yeah.
that's why that's
Then
the
it
reason I
should
said
be
netra.
dvayabhyam, not dvayena.
No. The netra dvaya is singular.
Singular. Okay, so you're taking it as a samasta pada.
Yes, the two eyes together, basically.
But will it be like tritiya or it's an instrument, right?
Yeah, so she used dvayena.
Okay.
But she used ekavachanam because netadvaya is singular. And that's what Subha is saying.
Yeah.
So netradvayena or chakshudvayabhyam. Is that what you said?
Chakshu dvayabhyam is not needed. Then chakshubhyam becomes two eyes, right?
Oh, chakshubhyam. Okay. Chakshubhyam pashya. All right. I think Sirisha ji, it's your turn.
Rajapurush Dhanush, is that the one? Yeah, राजपुरुष धनुष उठाता है और राक्षसों को मारता है. राजपुरुषः धनुः उठाता है. I don't know what it is.
Okay, we'll look it up. I'm not sure also. Uthata hai.
Lifting it is.
Yes.
I can, if I'm seeing it is.
Uthapayati.
Okay.
This.
Okay. Utthapayati, rakshamsi cha, hanti.
Yeah, sounds right. Okay, विष्णु का भक्त मूर्ति पूजा करता है. विष्णु भक्तः मूर्ति पूजा, that came as saman. Murti puja itself is one word. Murti pujam karoti will be Dvitiya of Murti puja, will be Murti pujam.
Yeah.
Yes, Murti pujam.
Yes.
Karoti.
Murti pujam karoti. Yeah.
Okay, I think that's it, right? We are done for today.
That
Yes.
kha is there, right? The kha.
Oh yeah, sorry, I missed that. I forgot it was. Okay, who's next? I think Upendra ji, and then
वह रस निकालता है, सह रसम सुनोति, सह रसम सुनोति.
yes, is it sunoti or sunati?
सुनोति.
उदाहरण वाक्य it says sunati, somasya rasam va sunati, and then sunotu is lot lakar.
In my book
Sunati.
it is written as sunoti only.
Here,
Amma. Rasam sunoti.
where does it? Where are you looking?
Seventh udaharan vakya.
Number
रामः
7.
यज्ञार्थं सोमं सोमस्य रसं वा सुनोति सुनोतु अशुनोत् सुनुयात्.
Okay, we have
Shoshyati
sunati.
va.
Which one is correct? We don't know. We'll verify because this is sudhatu, right? You can check.
Yeah, it says actually sunoti in when I
Ashtadhyayi.
look at Ashtadhyayi.
Okay,
Lat
then that is
lakara.
correct. Okay, then this must be a typo. I never got it. So, sunoti. Okay, next one. Tu som ka ras nikal. I think Vijay has got it.
Yeah. तू सोम का रस निकाला. त्वम सोमम सोमः. I think
No,
सुनोषि.
you can say somam. Somam is same as somasya rasam. So somam is correct.
सोमम. Okay. त्वम सोमम सुनोषि.
Sunoshi, or is it sunotu? Or is the madhyama purusha is sunoshi?
Yeah.
No,
Yes.
I get you. Sunu.
Okay. Yeah.
त्वम.
Sunu, right? Sunu or
Sunu.
sunutat.
So madhyama purusha sunoshi, correct. But for a lot lakar,
Lot. Yeah, it is
it should
sunu.
be sunu, sunutat or sunutat. Yeah, it is not lat lakar, so it is sunu.
सुनो. Okay.
Okay, next one. I think it's Aparna's turn.
मैं रस निकालूं. अहम रसम सुनवनी. सुनवनी. Yeah. सुनवनी.
Sunavani. Sunavani. This is
Sunavani.
lot lakar you're doing, no?
Yeah.
Sunavani.
So I had a question there. Do we have to, can we say it without rasa as well? Because rasa nikalna was true, right?
I don't know. At least for somaka ras, we had to say somam. I don't know when we don't say somam, then do we have to say rasa?
Okay. Vila.
Good question. I don't know. Yeah. It may be that it's included in the sunavani and that sudhatu usage. Okay, next one is I think Prabha or Shirisha.
We can do it. I need help. वह रस निकालेगा.
This is lit lakar.
सः right. सः सुनुष्यति.
Soshati.
Sorry, okay.
Soshati.
सः सोष्यति.
Soshati. Yes. Shirisha ji, the last one.
वह प्रातः सोमरस निकाले. सः प्रातः सोमरस सुनुयात्. Sunuyat is Vidiling.
Sunutat, isn't it? It is Lot lakar is Sunutat, but Vidhiling is Sunuyat.
Sunuyat.
Yes. Yeah, we can use either. We can use Lot or Vidhi. Yeah. Sunuyat or Sunutat. Somam. You said Soma Rasaha, right?
Yeah, but
Maybe that is
yeah.
also correct. It may be Somasya Rasaha Samasa. You can make Soma Rasaha. I don't know. We can ask that. Okay. Shall I do closing prayers?
Yeah.
Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti
Om
Shanti.
Shanti Shanti.
Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Thank you.